you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are so welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a simple remedy that will help you to get rid of cellulite. You know those lumpy, galloping, hole like kind of stuff that goes on around your thigh. Now for some people they are actually very comfortable with it, for some they are not comfortable with it. Now if you're among the categories of people who are not comfortable with it, this remedy is for you. And you have to first of all dry brush your thigh, to increase the blood circulation on your thigh. Now that would aid in removing it. Then you apply this treatment that I'm going to be showing you and you are good to go. Simple as that. Yeah, so let's see what it is. Thumbs up, subscribe, share and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, now once aloe vera gel has dried on the surface of the skin, it provides a protective barrier that helps keep moisture locked in, okay, and it also reduces acne, inflammations and assists in healing the skin, removing redness and soft, dry and irritated skin. Aloe vera is a natural source of nutrients for the skin and it also helps in removing cellulite. And then we're going to be needing some finger coffee, or you can use your coffee grain, and then you blend it into a powder form. Coffee helps in removing cellulite. Coffee helps to reduce the appearances of cellulite on the skin, calming the skin. It contains anti-aging benefit, and it also loaded with vitamin B3 for skin cancer. It reduces inflammations, it treats acne, it removes dark circles, and we're also going to be putting in honey. Honey contains a property that helps to calm the redness of the skin, and it also provides moisture that retains the skin moisture, and it's helping removing acne. It contains a natural antibacterial property. It treats and prevents the skin from aging, and it's full with antioxidants, and it is also great in slowing down the aging process of the skin. And then we're going to be putting in a little bit of extra olive oil. Now olive oil contains antioxidant property that help and prevent premature signs of aging on the skin. It contains vitamin C, and it is loaded with antibacterial effects that helps to remove bacteria on the skin, and it is loaded with a moisturizing agent that helps to keep your skin moisturized. It helps to exfoliate the skin, plus the back of this aloe vera. So I'm going to be turning that into this bowl. So here is the aloe vera plus the peel. Since we're going to be needing it for our cellulite, you're going to be blending everything plus the aloe vera peel, okay? Alright, so we're going to be pouring in the coffee, and I'm going to be putting 2 of this. 2 finger coffee. The honey, 1 teaspoon of honey is going to be enough. Also putting in just some drops of olive oil, not too much. I'm going to be stirring this all up together. You're just going to this is ready to use, and those places in which you have cellulite are your thighs, and sometimes your leg if you're fat. So I'm going to be using it on my leg. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is to use a dry brush, and you brush your cellulite in a brush in a circular motion like this. Okay, now when you're done brushing, then you have to leave this for like 5 to 10 minutes on your skin, and then you dab it again and you apply again. Okay, apply again. Alright, so you wash it off. Now you have to use a toilet soap, after which you've washed it off, and wash those places in which you apply the treatment initially. Those dimple on your lap is going to begin to fill up. Now remember to always dry brush before you apply the treatment. So that's it, guys. Have you seen how I did it? You have to scrub it in a circular motion.